there is one more thing that can set apart your freelancing profile from other freelance designers or developers or other freelancers, which is awards and certifications. So if you have worked for some awesome company like maybe Panasonic, Samsung or Apple or some other company, or you have won some awards, gold medal, or won some competitions, or you have completed a few courses online and you have certificates, you can list them here, and it can really set your portfolio and your freelance profiles apart from other designers and developers. Okay, so let's see what are the points we are going to cover. Now there are two things I'm going to cover here. One is that you have won any award, and one situation is then that you haven't won any kind of award. Okay, now the first thing is that if you have taken part in some design competition on design websites like 99design.com, or you have won any coding competition locally or in your college, then it's good. You can list them in your profile. If you have written some famous articles or they are viral articles, they have a lot of views or shares, you can share them. Okay, second thing is that if you haven't won any kind of award, then what you are going to do? You are going to build some or redesign or recode some new idea, try to redesign like a Skype interface if you have any, or any or more idea in your head, then you can use that. Okay, so what you are going to do is build an awesome side project like redesigning of Airbnb, or some controls, or a sign up form that uses a very lot of animations, HTML animations or something like that, or some API or something that can really set you apart from other freelancers. So like if you have written some WordPress plugins, 2 or 3, that can show your client that you are good at PHP, or you really know a lot about WordPress. Okay, so these are the things that can set you apart. Now the key takeaways are that list your awards, or if you have worked with Fortune 500 companies, list them on your portfolio. Okay, second thing is that if you have a very good side project, you can show it in your profile and show it that it's really awesome, its details and how you build up that project. Okay, now the second thing, how you can build your authority and show your clients that you are good and better than other freelancers they are trying to hire, is certification and courses. If you have completed some courses on Udemy or any other websites and they offer certifications, link them to your freelance profile. Okay, if you have any relevant tests, a lot of freelance websites, they offer tests. Some are free and some are paid, so try to take relevant courses or tests you have on those freelance websites. Okay, now there is also a situation when some companies, some professional companies, they also look for certified professionals. Okay, so if you have a certification in UX or certified HTML, you are something like that, or WordPress certified developer or something like this, they are going to prefer you. Okay, and one more tip is that keep earning solid certifications. Don't go for small certifications that have no weight. Okay, first try to search online or Google about it, that do this certification have really some weight. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now the key takeaways are, most of the times on freelance jobs, certifications doesn't matter, but it can still have a very good impact on your freelance profile. Okay, so keep doing some completing some courses. A lot of I think almost all courses on Udemy have certifications, so you can link that certification link in your portfolio. Okay, so this is all about certification and awards. Show them on your portfolio, show your clients links to those certifications and courses or awards or gold medals or whatever you have earned, and make your portfolio and profile better than others. Okay, so let's move on to the next lesson.